How to disable notifications in Mint. First of all, open your browser and go to the Mint website, then sign in with your account credentials. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see a bell icon labeled Notifications. Click on that bell icon to open the notifications panel. Now, at the top of the panel, you will see an option called Do Not Disturb. Click on this to disable notifications. Once enabled, you won't receive any new alerts or pop-ups until you turn it off again. If you want to manage your notifications more specifically, click on Settings from the left sidebar. Go through each category and uncheck the boxes for the notifications you don't want to receive. After that, make sure to click Save at the bottom of the page to apply your changes. And that's it. Now you know how to disable notifications in Mint. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.